Saiasmi Gupta and I'm 9 years old and the co-founder of tenniscorekids.com. And if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button, share this video, comment down below if you like it, and subscribe my channel if you have not done yet. So today we are going to do Python Lambda. So without any delay, let's get started. Okay, I've shortened my screen. Here is W3 schools and I've already opened Python Lambda. So let's start. Python Lambda. A lambda function is a small anonymous function. So you know the meaning of small. What is the meaning of anonymous? Anonymous meaning is which has no name. It's an unknown which has no name. Okay, so so you must be thinking, how will we call our lambda function? You'll just going to know right now. Let's move on. A lambda function can take any number of arguments. Remember arguments in Python functions? Like, I'll open Python functions. These are, no, not these. Like this was an argument, right? Remember arguments? Okay. So it's saying that you can give as many arguments you want, but you can have only one expression. You can give as many, loads of, as many, uncountable, unlimited numbers of arguments, but only one expression. So this is how syntax of lambda is lambda arguments expression. Now this is how we write lambda. The expression is executed and the result is returned. And tend to the to argument A and return the result. What does it mean? So over here it's not like it's calling it by just saying it lambda. Basically it has a name. Basically. Yeah, basically. So let's see. We're saying x is equals to lambda. That in x variable, we are using the lambda function, and we are saying a, and this is a is the parameter and a plus, and then we are giving it the argument. So it says print x5. So 5 plus 10 is 15, so it will print 15. So you can think that you can use lambda function just to shorten your code. You guys know, right, that coders, the shorter the coders code is shorter is the better. So this is a shorter way which you can use. So it will return 15 because 5 a's value is 5 right now in this. Over here we are defining it, and plus 10, so 15. Okay, let's go on. Lambda functions can take any number of arguments. We have just read it can take any numbers, as many arguments as it wants. So let's see. Multiply argument A with argument B and return the result. So you can give as many arguments as we learned. So over here we're giving 2, just like that. I don't know why, but now it says x is equals to lambda. So we are calling the lambda function. We are using the lambda function inside x, a and b. So two arguments, one name is a, one's name is b. Now it's saying a multiply by b. This asterisk means multiply. So a multiply by b. Now print x, 5 and 6. So a's value is 5 and b's value is 6. So 5 multiplied with 6 is 30. So here is the print. So it's gonna print 30. See? Now summarize arguments A, B, and C and return the result. Summarize means add. So over here you're giving three arguments, so you're adding it. So how did we do? We're gonna make an x equals to lambda, that in the x variable you're using the lambda function, and you're giving three arguments, a b c, and then you're doing a plus b plus c, and then you're printing while giving the arguments. So you'll give assign the arguments and then just print it. So what? So A's value is 5, 6. Oh, sorry, B's value is 6, and C's value is 2. So 5 plus 6 plus 2 is 13. So it has printed 13, right? See here. Now, wait. I'll do something. Hmm. Okay, I'll do it and in the end. So let's see. Why use lambda functions? So, the power of lambda is better shown when you use them and as an anonymous function inside another function. Say you have a function definition that takes one argument, and that argument will be multiplied with an unknown number. Did you understand, you guys? I'll just tell you in a minute. What is it? Use that function definition to make a function that always doubles the number you send in. So what is it? That if you is saying that it will be double power. That you're making your own function and you're using a lambda function also. It's double power, two functions, right? I just gave here one and gave here two. Sorry, two. Two. It has a power, right? So let's just understand this code. So we are making our own function and we are giving it a parameter which name is n. We are saying return lambda a multiplied by n. So you must be thinking that yeah, n is like the parameter. Where did a come from? So it is an unknown user. So that is from like lambda. Lambda is making this a. So now you must be thinking, how will we define lambda's age value? You'll know. So we are saying my doubler equals to my func2. So basically it means that it's making a variable, and this function which we made our own function, its parameter n, its value, it's defining it as 2. Then it's saying print my doubler 11. So wait, basically this line is here. This line is here in my doubler, and just n is 2. So now let's see, print my doubler 11. So it's now by now if like wait wait a second, 1 second. Yeah, so this is the line which is this lambda a multiplied by 2 means this line. Okay, so this if lines goes inside here, print my doubler 11. So it must be thinking that it has given n parameters value as 2. So whereas, so let me give the a parameters value as 11. Now 11 multiplied by 2 is 22. Good. Nice maths right there. So it will print 22. See? Now use that. Oh yeah, we just did it. Or use the same function definition to make a function that allows triple the number you send in. So basically, its meaning is that you're just changing n's value. It is the same syntax, just you're changing parameter n's value to 3. That's kind of useless, but so we are just gonna change 2's value to 3. Now 11 multiplied by 3 is 33. So over here we see print my tuple 11. So it assigns A's value as 11, and this line means that it's assigning 3 as the value of n. So 11 multiplied by 3 is 33, and here is the print statement. So it will print 33. Now, or use the same function definition to make both functions in the same program. So you can do like, if you want to double, like you want to get 22 and 33. So you can just write both the statements, like you'll make your own function, return lambda a multiplied by n. Till here is clear. Now we are doing my doubler. We are making a variable my doubler and saying my function. This our function which we made, and n's value as 2. And then we are making another variable my tripler is equal to my function, the function which we made, n parameters value as 3. Okay, now we are doing so basically um wait, it is like, this is from this statement we it has defined n's value as 2, parameter n's value as 2, and this line has defined parameter n's value is 3. Now let's see, we're just printing my doubler 11. So this line, wait, one second. Oops, what did it just do? Oops. Ugh, yeah, better. Huh. Oops, sorry, yes. So, my doubler, this means, right? This is the line my doubler means. So if we put in here, so it is end value, it has parameter defined that it is 2. So let me just give a as the value as 11. Now 11 multiplied by 2 is 22, so it prints 22. But now what happened about the my tripler? Oh, you can't. You need to wait, you little bunny. Here is a print multiplier. So same, it will be lambda a multiplied by 3. So it sees that n parameters value is already defined. So let's just give a's value as 11. So 11 multiplied by 3 is 33, and it prints. So we get the output as 22 and 33. So now let's see. Use the lambda functions when an anonymous function is required for a short period of time. Now it's time for exercises. Only one exercise? Let's see. Create a lambda function that takes one parameter a and returns it. This is a tricky one. So you'll just put lambda here, and it says that get an a parameter, and oops, get an a parameter, we can't forget the colon, and then it's saying and return it. So if there's not much space, like you can't write return, so you will, it's very easy guys, you will have to get it. Yeah, you will obviously put your A. Submit answer. Correct. Now, before we end the video, I'll just want to go on Python functions. And no, let's go on Python Lambda only. So let's just create this now. Let's just comment this up. Now this, oops. Remember the multiple comments, multiple lines comments, and just we'll put it right here. These three. Let's see. It's the commenting is correct, right? It prints nothing. Come on, load fast, load fast. Okay, so now how will you make it will be easier for you to understand if you will just make a function and just convert it into lambda. So this is how we make a function. Def my func parameter oops a comma b, and then oops and then we say what is that? Wait. Mm, what is going on? Wait. Let me just go on Python function. I don't know why it's getting something like an error kind of. Mm, I'm doing correct. Why is it getting an error? I don't know. I wanted to show you how to convert a function into a lambda, but it's just getting an error. So I will tell you in the next video when we do Python arrays. Before we do it, we will do it. So guys, I really hope you liked the video. If you did, smash that like button, share this video, comment down below if you like it, and subscribe my channel if you've not done yet. Bye, see you soon guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching my videos. Dab! 3, 2, 1, snap.